Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lobes weekly ad. Says Lobes, change it up and save. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Lobes, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, 2 reviews. Alright, we got the valid March 14th through March 20th. Let's see here what we got. Any tools? We got Boland's 140cc 21-inch cut push lawnmower for $189. That's your basic lawnmower. And then you got a tool kit here. 4-tool 20-volt max lithium cordless combo kit with soft case, $249. This is not the newest model. I believe this is brushed, but still a great deal for $249. And same as the other, the Pro ad, we got the DeWalt 2-piece 12-inch saw blade set for $39.98. You do got the 80 tooth and the 32 tooth. So this is more for like finishing projects, and this is more for like framing and rough cuts. Craftsman 6-gallon 150 psi max electric air compressor. Electric air compressor for $99. Made in the USA with global materials. That's what it says right there. See if you got any more tools here. You got some wheelbarrows there for your choice for $79.98. Then we got Husqvarna 28cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer, $199. You got the Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer for $99. You got the Cobalt 24-volt max brushless cordless leaf blower and string trimmer for $149. So it's a great deal. You get both of them. I don't know why I don't know why you only get one picture though. Oh, there you go. That is the picture right there. So you get the blower and you get this trimmer there with the battery and a charger for $169. Or $149. Say $50, I guess. That's a great deal there. You got a Cobalt 80-volt max brushless cordless leaf blower for $229. $80-volt max 16-inch brushless cordless string trimmer for $229. You got the Cobalt 80-volt max 21-inch deck with self-propelled rear wheel drive brushless cordless lawnmower for $549. You got the I believe we already went over this one. That one too. Greenworks surface cleaner for $24.98. Greenworks 1750 or 1700 psi, 1.5 gallons per minute electric pressure washer for $99. You got a Greenworks 2000 psi, 1.54 gallons per minute pressure washer, $199. Looks like it's gas. 60-volt max JJJ Triple J 21-inch deck with self-propelled rear wheel drive brushless cordless lawnmower for $449. Get the Greenworks 60-volt max 16-inch cut straight shaft brushless cordless string trimmer, $169. You got the Greenworks Pro 60 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower, $169. Got the lawnmowers here. John Deere E100, 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, foot pedal automatic riding lawnmower for $15.99. You got the E130, 22 horsepower V-twin, 42-inch cut, side by side, foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower for just under $2,000. You got the E170, 25 horsepower, V-twin, 48-inch cut, side by side, foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower for $24.49. We got the Craftsman 256cc gas wood chipper for $7.49. We got the Craftsman 140cc 21-inch cut self-propelled front wheel drive mower, $2.49. You got the Craftsman 160cc 21-inch cut self-propelled front wheel drive gas lawnmower. And then you got the Husqvarna 160cc 21-inch cut self-propelled rear wheel drive lawnmower for $379. 163cc 21-inch cut self-propelled all-wheel drive lawnmower, $399. Gonna go off-roading with that one. Husqvarna YTH 24 volts or V 48 24 HP V-twin 48-inch cut foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower for $18.99. Why can't I just make them simple, you know? Make it a YT 2448, you know? You got the Husqvarna YTH 18542, 18.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, just under $1,500. You got the YTH 22 V46, 22 horsepower, V-twin 46 for just under $16.99. And then the last one, YT24 V54, 24 HP V-twin 54-inch cut foot pedal hydrostatic lawnmower for $2,099. See if we got any more tools over here. Got some barbecues and some faucets there for the bathrooms. Alright, we got some tools. They still have these great deal here. Bosch 12 volt max lithium cordless combo kit, $129. We got the Bosch 1-inch SDS plus Bulldog Extreme 8 amp keyless rotary hammer, $179. You got the Bosch 12 volt max variable speed cordless spricking saw for $99. You got the Bosch 2 tool 18 volt ion lithium ion cordless combo kit with soft case, $149. You got the Bosch 47 piece screwdriver bit set for $9.98. Bosch are great bits. Probably one of the better bits there is on the market. Bosch 165 feet indoor laser measure with Bluetooth, 119. Yeah. You got the Hitachi 15 amp 10-inch job site table saw with stand, $349. It's not a bad deal. Craftsman 41-inch drawer steel tool chest, 41-inch 7-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet, $898. You got the DeWalt 45 piece tough grip screwdriver bit set, $9.98. You got the DeWalt 2 tool 20 volt max lithium ion cordless combo kit soft case, $179. And these are not brushless, by the way. DeWalt 5 tool 20 volt max lithium ion cordless combo kit with soft case, $3.99. See if we got any more tools. I know they like to hide them. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.